Hi, good evening. In this video, we'll be analyzing Biocon via some technical data and derivative data and technical data. So this is Gaurav here,
I'm Prerna.
and Prerna will take us through the chart of Biocon. So yeah,
So here we can see the daily chart of Biocon, and we can see that it is forming a flag and pole pattern, and there's a breakout at the 396 level. If it manages to sustain above 396, then we can see that it can rally up to 420, and we can see that MACD is ready for a positive crossover, and RSI is below 70, so it is in buying zone. Also, we can see that the stock can take support at 381, and we can take a stop loss at around 380. Yeah, so Gaurav,
Hmm.
anything to add?
So there's one thing that you guys need to notice is that Biocon is at all-time high. So the targets, like the stock has entered a new blue sky zone, and targets can be much more higher than 420. But for now, we are giving a very conservative target of 420. Targets it can go up till 440, 450 as well. So just for a conservative view, we have given a target of 420 if it sustains above 395. Please remember that. So this was the technical data. Let us move on to the derivative data of Biocon. So this is the option chain of Biocon, and if you can notice, the highest open interest right now stands at 410 strike. That is around 4 lakh shares, and we have seen an addition of 1.5 lakh shares here. What is interest? I'm so extremely sorry. The highest open interest currently stands at 420 levels. Extremely sorry. It's not at 410. It's at 420 levels, which is around 12 lakh shares. And we have seen an addition of 9 lakh shares on Friday. So this will act as an important resistance. That is why we have taken 420 as a first target. If the stock manages to trade above 420, we may see a short covering rally here, and which may take this stock to somewhere near 440, which has 3 lakh shares, addition of 3 lakh shares, maybe 450, which has 3.77 lakh shares. And if you see the difference between 450 and 420 strike is around 9 lakhs. So let's see how do the positions build up in coming days. On the put side, the highest open interest where we can see is at, just a second. Currently it's at 370, and which is 2,73,000 shares, and there's a highest addition of around 181 lakh shares here. So what derivative data suggests that the stock has support at 370 level, but according to our technical data, we had taken stop loss near 380, right, Prerna?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we can conclude from here is like the pole and flag pattern, which was made, the lower side, the support of that pattern is at 380, and if that's broken down, the pattern is not sustainable. Like the pattern which was formed is not applicable, and there's no point being in the stock. So 370 is a derivative stop loss, but for us, technical data is more important. So we'll take a stop loss at 380 and target of 420. So for Biocon, what we can do is buy near. You can buy near somewhere around between 396 to 400, and take a stop loss at 380, right? For a target of 420. So that's all we have in this analysis. Anything you want to add to it?
No, nothing.
All right, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.